Team, we're gonna roast some pork belly on my Black Label pellet grill coming up. Cooking with CJ, the show about cooking, drinking, barbecue, and all the other stuff that goes along with it. I'm gonna show you how to make quick, easy, tasty recipes and have a little bit of fun along the way. So let's get this party started. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Cooking with CJ. I'm CJ, and if you're a returning subscriber, part of CJ's crew, you know I love you. If you're new to the channel, please hit that red subscribe button, that bell next to it, so you get alerts on all what we're doing here. All right, team, what are we doing here today? Like I said, we're gonna roast some pork belly, and we're gonna use my pellet grill, my Louisiana Grill's Black Label pellet grill, and we're gonna use a little pellet tube, a little smoker tube to help add a little extra smoke flavor to the pork belly. Guys, this isn't gonna be like pork belly burnt ends or anything like that. We're just gonna roast this off, chop it up, make tacos out of it, you know, just real simple, easy things to do with it. We're gonna smoke it at 275, so all the fat's nice and rendered in there. It's got plenty of smoke flavor, and we'll be able to chop it up like crazy, okay? You may or may not be able to tell, it's a little breezy out here in Southern California today, but it's a beautiful day, so you might hear some wind chimes, little breeze go through, some smoke fly, but that's okay. We're gonna persevere through this, this windstorm, whatever you call it. Anyhow, all right, guys, so basically I've already got the pork belly already laid out and let them sit in some seasoning for a little while. All right, first thing I did was get it out of the package. Now these are strips of a pork belly slab that I got from Costco, okay? And what I like to do is slice it perpendicular to the length of the pork belly, just to about 1/4 inch on the bottom, to allow it to open up and expose more meat and flesh in there that we're gonna use some seasoning on. And for today's seasoning, I decided to use Cosmos Q's the best, and it's jalapeno garlic. It's a real nice savory, spicy kind of flavor, and I figured that would go good for when we decide to chop these up and make tacos out of them, right? So they've been sitting with that seasoning, sweating it in for about 2 hours now. Getting this pellet grill up to temp, like I said, 275, and then we're ready to roll. Stick around, and we'll get this thing started. All right, team, we got our smoke tube rolling. Had enough time to get going. We're using the competition pellets that we actually have in the pellet hopper here. All right, we're gonna pull this tray out a little bit and we'll get our pork belly on there. Just put the strips on right above the smoker tube. Thicker parts towards the back because that's where the heat's kind of rolling in the back there. Last one. I'm not gonna put a probe in these. I don't really think I need to. We're just gonna keep watching the smoke roll, and then we'll check the temps using an instant read thermometer as we go. But we're gonna let this get some nice heat and smoke for a couple hours, and we'll come back and check on it. All right, team, we're about 1.5 hours in. The pork belly's looking nice. We've turned it on its side. We flipped it a couple times just to make sure the smoke from the smoker tube is getting up in there. Looking real nice. That fat's rendering really well. We're gonna make some amazing tacos, guys. Temping at about 150 right now. We got a little bit more to go, but then it'll be time to make some tacos. All right, team, our pork belly is nice and roasted. It's about 190 to 200 or so in there, temping out. All we're gonna do is take this inside, let it rest a little bit, then chop it up for some tacos, and we'll have some nice pork belly tacos. Good stuff, guys. All right, team, we got our pork belly rested. We're gonna get on this cutting board right here, and we're just gonna start chopping into it. If I had a cleaver on me, I'd use it, but instead we're gonna use our Delta Wolf Dawgstrong, and we're just gonna start cutting. Chopping, dicing, whatever you wanna call it, okay? Again, rough chop through it. Watch your fingers. There we go. Get the rest of it chopped up, and then we'll make some tacos. What do you say? All right, let's fix ourselves a taco here. Got a nice warmed up corn tortilla. All right, get a little of this guac in there. A little spicy guac, because I'm spicy. Right, honey? Uh-huh. All right, I like it. Got some Oaxaca cheese. That's a taco to me. All right, let's try this. All right, y'all, hard work pays off. Been roasting this pork belly for the better part of 3 hours. Now it's time to enjoy the taco. Cheers, y'all. Guys, that sweet pork belly meat going with that garlic jalapeno seasoning from Cosmos Q. It's just a great combination, a little sweet, a little heat. Throw in a little guac, a little cheese, corn tortilla. It's a perfect taco. Guys, happy Taco Tuesday, what can I say? Listen, that's it for this one, guys. If you want to get yourself one of them black label pellet grills, I'll put a link down below to Louisiana grills. Check it out. Knives, cutting boards, all that good stuff. Links are all down below. If you want to become part of CJ's crew for real here on YouTube, hit that join button. Get your name on the scroll like all these people right here, all these wonderful show producers. But that's it for this one. Listen, I hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful week. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.